Redneck MacGyver here. A simple way of making a wire connection without using solder. 3/4 of an inch peel back for the insulation. Separate the wire into 2 equal halves on both sides. Twist it together till it's tight and it butts up to the butt right there between the 2 wires. Pulls it up tight. Then you take one, put it on one side of the wire, one on the other. Because it was in this plastic covering, I didn't even put any electrical tape on it or any electrical rubber goop for insulation, because the way that the wires were cut, none of them could short out with each other. They were all in their own separate zone. Redneck MacGyver signing off. See ya!